If you love a good deal, Ninja Mega Kitchen System is waiting for you this Christmas. See why it's worth grabbing now. Hey there, guess what? I've got to tell you about the incredible Ninja Mega Kitchen System. You know, the one that's discounted by a whopping 55% off. Yep, 55% off. This Ninja 1500-watt blender food processor combo is like a dream come true for anyone who loves making delicious smoothies or crushing ice for margaritas. With the Ninja Total Crushing Blender, you'll have the best blender for smoothies in 2025 right in your kitchen. It's a powerhouse that can handle anything you throw at it. Need a quick salsa for taco night? Done. Craving a creamy, dreamy smoothie? Done. And the best part? You can save 55% on the Ninja Mega Kitchen System right now. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. And here's a fun thought. I wish Ninja Mega Kitchen System could check off everything on my Christmas list. But hey, at least it's a great addition. Thanks for watching. Make sure you don't miss out on Ninja Mega Kitchen System this Christmas. Save 55% today on this amazing product.